All right, Tony. Let's now proceed to the next activity. So this is the last part of the part 4. Now here, Tony will be doing part 5. Okay, look at the picture. Listen, look at the picture, read the story, write words to complete the sentences about the story. So in this part, Tony, you can use 1 word, 2 words, or 3 words to complete the sentence. But before that, Tony, could you please read the story? So, come on. Please read the story. My name.
My name's Sally. Last Saturday, Bill and my favorite uncle came to see us. We had the big square box in his car. He picked it up carefully and carried it to our garden. What's in the box? We asked. He said, what do you think? My brother Joe said, some toys. And I said, some cakes. No, Bill said, it's not that. We had lunch. And then Bill said, I'd like to go shopping now.
Right, so this is what happened in the story. Now, Tony, what I want you to do is to fill in the missing words here for numbers 1 and 2 from the given story. So you can get the answers from the story. You can use 1 word, 2 words, or 3 words to complete it. For example, Uncle Bill went to see Sally last blank. The answer is Saturday. So,
I'm done.
okay, Tony, please read numbers 1 and 2.
What's her toy? Oh,
Come on.
I'm toy in the box. Don't know. After lunch, Bill wants to go shopping.
Okay. Now here, let's check. Some toys are in that box. John bought. The answer here is toys. Very good. Number 2, after lunch, Bill wanted to go shopping. Correct. 1 and 2 are all correct answers. Now here, not yet done, Tony. There's still more. Okay, Tony, fill in the blank for 3, 4, 5, 6.
The second shop in down. I'm done.
Read.
We were to the shop in the village that afternoon. The second shop Bill went, it was the pet shop. The third box was a biggest box. Bill carried the box back to Sally's house.
Okay, let's check.
Mẹ ơi!
Ready now? Let's check now, Tony.
Yes. Mẹ lấy cho
Okay.
con cây ống để con đi đái.
Now here, let's check now. So number 3, Bill went to the shops in the village that afternoon. Sorry. The answer is village. Correct. Number 4, the second shop Bill went in was the pet shop. Correct. 3, the third, correct, box was the biggest box. And number 6, Bill carried the box, says to back to Sally's house. Very good, Tony. 3 to 6, they are all correctly answered. Next, Tony. Number 7 to 10. Please answer.
Mga bani.
I'm done. I'm done, teacher. I'm done.
Okay, Tony, please read number 7.
They opened the boxes in Sally's garden.
Next.
Inside the square box was a beautiful white duck. Inside 2 round boxes were 2 bowls. The children were happy because they could eat eggs for breakfast every morning.
Okay, let's check now, Tony. Now here, number 1. They opened all the boxes in Sally's garden. Correct. Number 8, inside the square box was a beautiful white duck. Correct. Number 9, inside the 2 round boxes were 2 bowls. Correct. Number 10, the children were happy because the cart ate duck eggs for breakfast every morning. Wow, very good, Tony. Look at that, Tony. Okay, look at there, Tony. You were able to answer all the questions in the reading and writing activity correctly. Now here, Tony, this one. This will be your last activity. This is the last part of the reading and writing. You are going to read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. So, Tony, here, there is no choices. Okay? Tony, no choices. Try to answer this on your own. Go. Let's try if you can find the words that are missing in this part 6.
Where are the words? I can't see the
words.
words.
No words, Tony. You have to think of what word is needed. Can you answer this? Just tell me if you find it difficult.
Teacher,
Yes, Tony?
I don't know the words in 1 and 4.
Okay, wait me. Tony, could you please read all? Come on, read the text about jungle. Go.
Jungles are hot, wet place. They are very green because on most day it rains there. There are big rivers in most jungle and people often
Next.
wait. Go on boat because that is easier than walking. A lot of flowers, trees, and animals are in jungles. And sometimes there are village. Some of the food what we eat. And sometimes there are village. Some of the food teacher.
Yes.
Can I see the words of number 4?
No given words, Tony. You have to think on what do you think is the missing. Some of the food blank we eat, what do you think is missing there? Some of the
Oh,
food,
oh. Can we eat and plants in our garden come from jungles?
next.
There are only a small parts of the words, but they give us a lot.
Okay, Tony, ready to check? Let's check
Yes.
now. So we have here jungles. Jungles are hot, wet places. They are very green because on most days it rains there. There are big rivers in most jungles and people often go by. It's by, Tony, by boat because it's easier than, correct, walking. A lot of flowers, trees, and animals live, not are, but live in jungles. And sometimes there are villages. Some of the food that we eat and plants in our gardens come from jungles. They are only a small part of the world, but they give us a lot. So, Tony, there you go. Those are the answers here to fill in the story or the text about jungles. So don't worry, Tony. It's just okay because I know it's a bit hard for you because there's even no given choices. But you still good because you were able to think on what word is missing there. All right, so Tony, that would be all for today. And congratulations and good job for today's class. Goodbye for now, Tony. See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Wee, balloon.